आपण मागल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये स्केलर आणि वेक्टर्स वरली न्यूमेरिकल्स पाहत होतो. स्केलरवर तशी न्यूमेरिकल्स नाहीच आहेत, पण आपण वेक्टरची न्यूमेरिकल्स पाहत होतो. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण वेक्टर ॲडिशन, सबस्ट्रॅक्शन याची न्यूमेरिकल्स पाहिले. आजच्या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरमध्ये आपण वेक्टरच्या प्रोडक्टवर काही न्यूमेरिकल्स पाहणार आहोत. आता यानंतरचं असणार आहे न्यूमेरिकल असणार आहे फाइंड द स्केलर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स. We have to find out the scalar product of two vectors. One of them is v1 equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and v2 equal to vector v1 equal to vector v2 equal to 3I cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap. In order to solve this numerical, what is required is you must know the scalar product or dot product of unit vectors. I cap dot I cap is 1. J cap dot J cap is equal to 1. K cap dot K cap is also equal to 1. The self dot product of unit vectors is 1 and the dot product of two perpendicular vectors is equal to 0. Therefore, I cap dot J cap, J cap dot K cap, K cap dot I cap is equal to 0. Using that, we got this relation vector v1 dot vector v2 is equal to vx1 into vx2 vy1 into vy2 plus vz1 into vz2. इथे कसं आहे, ही जर वेक्टर ए आणि वेक्टर बी असतं तर हे राहिलं असतं आय ए एक्स जे ए वाय प्लस के ए झेड आणि बी राहिलं आय बी एक्स प्लस जे बी वाय प्लस के बी झेड. त्या केसमध्ये डॉट प्रॉडक्ट हा ए एक्स बी एक्स ए वाय बी वाय ए झेड बी झेड राहिलं असतं. काही हरकत नाही, आपण हे सगळं 1 हे सगळं 2 पकडूया. त्याच्यावरून आपण हे असं लिहिणार वेक्टर v1 डॉट वेक्टर v2 इज इक्वल टू 3 into 1 it is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus of 5. Therefore it is equal to 4 plus 8 minus 15. 4 plus 8 12 minus 15. The answer will be equal to minus of 3. No, sorry, it should be 3. 3 plus 8 11 minus 15, it should be equal to minus of 4. This is the answer that you will get. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 8 minus 15, 11 minus 15. The answer is minus of 4. This is how to obtain the scalar product of two vectors. The next numerical is like this one. If capital L is the angular momentum, angular momentum is also called as moment of momentum. It is the product of moment r and the linear momentum. Moment arm is vector r and linear momentum is vector p. Linear momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Angular momentum ही क्वांटिटी ही रोटेशनल मोशन मधली आहे. त्याचा विचार आपण नंतर करणार आहोत, पण त्याआधी आपल्याला हे न्यूमेरिकल म्हणून पाहायचं आहे. अँग्युलर मोमेंटम हा आर वेक्टर आणि पी वेक्टरचा क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट आहे. इथे मोमेंट आर वेक्टर दिलाय त्यांनी. किती आहे? वेक्टर आर इक्वल टू 4i प्लस 6j मायनस 3k आणि वेक्टर पी बरोबर आहे 2i कॅप प्लस 4j कॅप मायनस 5k k कॅप. इथे आपल्याला विचारलंय त्यांनी की अँग्युलर मोमेंटम हा जो वेक्टर आहे तो किती असेल. अँग्युलर मोमेंटम इज द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर आर क्रॉस वेक्टर पी and the cross product vector L is equal to determinant, it should be I cap, J cap, K cap and the magnitude of the component vectors, that is 4, 6 and minus 3, that is 2, 4 and minus 5. We have to find out this cross product. To find out the cross product, we have to determine we have to solve the determinant. How the determinant is solved, please see carefully. आपण काळजीपूर्वक बघूया. आपण अशा प्रॅक्टिस मधूनच डिटर्मिनंट सॉल्व करण्याची मेथड आपल्याला लक्षात येईल. काय करायचं आहे? नाउ I is in first column and first row. Therefore, now ignore first column and first row, then you will get these 4. Now from these 4 I will write the cross product. It is minus of 30, 6 into minus 5, minus of 30, minus of 4 into minus 3, minus of minus 12, it should be plus 12. Therefore this is one thing. I kept minus 30 plus 12. The next is J. I will take it as minus of J. Where J is, it is in second column and first row. Now ignore this second column and first row. You will get 4 and 5. It is minus of 20 and 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus of minus 6, it should be equal to plus 6. This is the second one. The third is plus k cap. Now k cap is in third column and first row. Ignore this first row and third column. You will get 4 into 4. That is 16 and minus of 2 into 6. It should be minus of 12. And therefore it total comes out to be equal to minus 30 plus 12, it is minus of 18 I cap. Then this should be minus 20 plus 6 minus 14, minus of minus plus 14 J cap. 16 minus 12, it should be 4 K cap. This is the value of angular momentum. Okay, I hope you got it. आता या न्यूमेरिकल मध्ये आपल्याला वेक्टर ए आणि वेक्टर बी दोन वेक्टर्स दिलेले आहेत आणि त्याच्यामधला अँगल काढायचा आहे. वेक्टर ए इक्वल टू 5i कॅप प्लस 6j कॅप प्लस 4k कॅप and वेक्टर बी इक्वल टू 2i कॅप मायनस 2j कॅप प्लस 3k कॅप. And we have to find out the angle between vector A and vector B. Now, what we know is that vector A dot vector B by definition it is AB cos theta. Magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos of theta. And in terms of their components we are able to write वेक्टर A डॉट वेक्टर B is equal to AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. Now, comparing these two, what I will get here is AB cos theta is equal to AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ, and hence cos theta is equal to this AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ divided by, this is magnitude of vector A and magnitude of vector B. We will do this. Now, how we can find out this cos theta equal to, I will write cos theta equal to, that is AX BX, that is 5 into 2 plus 6 into minus 2 plus 4 into 3. 5 into 2, 6 into minus 2, 4 into 3. Divided by magnitude of A, it should be square root of, that is square root of AX square plus BX square plus AX square plus AY square plus AZ square. Therefore, it should be square of 5 25, square of 6 36, and square of 4 plus 16, and square root of, it should be square of 2 4, square of minus 2 again 4, plus square of 3 is 9, and hence you will get cos theta equal to, this cos theta equal to 5 into 2, it should be 10, 6 into minus 2, it should be minus 12, plus 4 into 3, again it's plus 12, divided by square root of, we have to add these ones, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 5, it should be 7, 17, carried 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, square root of 77. It should be 9 plus 4, 13, 13 into 4, it is 13 plus 4, it should be 17. Therefore, cos theta should be equal to, this is plus 12 minus 12 0, therefore what remains in the numerator is 10 divided by square root of, it should be 1309, and it should be equal to 10 divided by square root of 36.18, and it comes out to be equal to 0.2763, that is 0.2763, and cos theta is equal to 0.2763, therefore theta equal to cos inverse of 0.2763, it comes out to be equal to, it comes out to be equal to 73 degree and 58 minutes. 73 degree and 58 minutes. Like this you are able to find out the angle. The angle between the two vectors using the dot product or the scalar product of two vectors. आता नंतरच्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये आपल्याला असं विचारलेलं आहे की दोन वेक्टर्स आहेत, वेक्टर पी आणि वेक्टर क्यू. ही दोन वेक्टर्स एकाच दिशेत आहेत. मग ही दोन वेक्टर्स एकाच दिशेत असतील तर त्यामधल्या या यम ची किंमत काय? तर एक गोष्ट इथे लक्षात ठेवायची आहे, जर दोन वेक्टर्स एकाच दिशेत असतील तर त्यांच्या कंपोनंटच्या मॅग्निट्यूडचा रेशिओ सेम असला पाहिजे. If two vectors are in same direction, the ratio of magnitude of the components should be the same. Ratio of the magnitude of the component should be same. Here, therefore, I will write 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 1 m is equal to 8 divided by 4. The ratio of the x component 4 by 2, y component minus 1 divided by minus m, z component 8 divided by 4. Therefore, this 2 is equal to 1 upon m is equal to 2. You may take either of the two. Therefore, 1 by m equal to 2. Then what m should be equal to? M should be equal to 1 by 2. The value of m in this case is equal to 1 upon 2. The next is the first one from the solve the following. Vector A equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap and vector B equal to 3i cap plus 5j cap. We have to find vector A cross vector B. Vector A cross vector B we have to find out. How we will find this one? तुम्हाला हे माहित असायला पाहिजे की हे कसं काढायचं. I cross I 0, J cross J 0, K cross K 0, I cross J K, J cross I cross J K, J cross K I, K cross I J. आपण त्या सिक्वेन्सनी लक्षात ठेवलं होतं, त्याची इथे आपल्याला मदत लागेल. आता ते वेक्टर A क्रॉस वेक्टर B इक्वल टू I क्रॉस I 0 म्हणजे पहिलं निघून जाईल. नंतर I क्रॉस J K आहे तर इट इज 10K. पुढे J क्रॉस I क्रॉस J K आहे ते J क्रॉस I मायनस K कॅप आहे. 3 into 3 9 आणि J क्रॉस J 0 आहे म्हणून हे 2 into 5 10. I cross J is K cap and J cross I is equal to minus K cap. Using these two, I am using this one. I cap cross I cap, J cross cap J cross is equal to 0. Using this relations, cross product of unit vector, you will get vector A cross vector B is equal to 10K cap minus 9K cap. It is equal to K cap. So simple it is. The next is show that vector A equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap and vector B equal to 3I cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap, vector C equal to 6I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap are perpendicular to each other. Scalar product of two perpendicular vectors is 0. The converse of the statement, if scalar product of two vectors is 0, then they are perpendicular to each other. Now we will see the scalar product of A and B. Vector A dot vector B. Vector A dot vector B. It should be ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Therefore it is 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus 6 plus 6 into 2. It should be equal to 6 minus 18 plus 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to plus 18 and plus 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Therefore, vector A and B are perpendicular to each other. Similar to that, I will see what about vector B dot vector C. Vector B dot vector C. Now, it is 3 into 6, it is bx cx plus by cy plus bz cz. 3 into 6, that is minus 6 into 2 plus 2 into 3. 2 into minus of 3. Therefore, it is equal to 3 into 6, 18 minus 12 minus 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 18 plus 18 is equal to 0. Therefore, vector B dot vector C is equal to 0. Hence, B and C are perpendicular to each other. At the end, we will see what about vector A dot vector C. Now, vector A dot vector C, ax cx plus ay cy plus az cz. Ax cx, it is 2 into 6 plus 3 into 2 plus 6 into minus of 3. Therefore, it should be equal to 12 plus 6 minus 18. 12 plus 6, 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. What you will see here is vector A dot vector B is 0. Therefore, I will write vector A is perpendicular to vector B. This is one thing. Vector B dot vector C equal to 0. Therefore, vector B is perpendicular to vector C. Vector A dot vector C equal to 0. Therefore, vector A is perpendicular to vector C. This is the three results we got. And hence, all the three vectors are perpendicular to each other. In the next example, it is asked find the vector v1 cross vector v2, where vector v1 is given 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap and vector v2 is given I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. To determine the vector product of two vectors, we have to solve the determinant of its components. I will do the same. Therefore, vector v1 cross vector v2 is equal to determinant I cap, j cap and k cap, and their components 2, 3 and minus 1. Here 1, 2 and minus 3. You have to solve this determinant. Is equal to I cap in the bracket I, first column first row, remaining 4, it's minus 9, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus of minus, that is plus 2, minus j cap in the bracket, first row, second column, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus of minus, plus 1, plus k cap in the bracket, first row, third column, 2 into 2, 4, minus 3. It comes out to be equal to minus 9 plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2, it's minus 7 I cap. Then minus 6 plus 1, minus 5, minus of minus, it is plus 5 j cap. 4 minus 3, 1 plus k cap. Therefore, minus 7 I cap plus 5 j cap plus k cap is the cross product of vector v1 and vector v2. इथं दोन वेक्टर्स दिलेले आहेत. वेक्टर v1 बरोबर आहे 5 i cap plus 2 j cap. वेक्टर v2 बरोबर आहे a i cap minus 6 j cap. आणि ही दोन वेक्टर्स एकमेकाला परपेंडिक्युलर आहेत, तर त्यातल्या a ची किंमत किती असेल? सोपी गोष्ट आहे तशी. दोन वेक्टर्स जेव्हा परपेंडिक्युलर असतात तेव्हा त्यांचा डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 असतो. आणि युनिट वेक्टरचा डॉट प्रोडक्ट कसा आहे? जर सेम युनिट वेक्टर असतील तर सेल्फ युनिट वेक्टरचा डॉट प्रोडक्ट 1 आहे आणि डिफरंट युनिट वेक्टरचा डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 आहे. तर i cap डॉट i cap, j cap डॉट j cap, k cap डॉट k cap 1 आहे. i cap डॉट j cap, j cap डॉट k cap, k cap डॉट i cap 0 आहे. या गोष्टींचा वापर करून आपण आधी हे लिहूया, vector v1 dot vector v2 is equal to 0 because v1 and v2 are perpendicular. ही एक गोष्ट लिहून टाकूया आपण. आणि आता आपण लिहिणार आहोत वेक्टर v1 डॉट वेक्टर v2 is equal to I cap dot I cap is 1, that is 5a. I cap dot j cap is 0, j cap dot j cap I cap is 0, and it is 2 into minus 6, it is minus 12. J cap dot j cap is equal to 12. This is equation 1. v1 dot v2 is equal to 0 and v1 dot v2 is equal to 5a minus 12. Equating these two, I will write 5a minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, 5a is equal to 12 and hence a is equal to 12 by 5. This is the equation, this is the value of a that we will get if the two vectors are perpendicular to each other. The value of a if v1 and v2 are perpendicular is 12 by 5.